guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another topic. Yes, students, let us discuss another topic. Topic is science book for class 7th. We start from first chapter, nutrients in plants. So let's start. This is science book for class 7th. First chapter is nutrition in plants. So let's start. In class 6th, you learned that food is essential for all living organisms. You also learned that carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals are components of food. These components of food are necessary for our body and are called nutrients. देखो अब हमने फर्स्ट पैरा पढ़ा. फर्स्ट पैरे में से क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, what are nutrients? What are nutrients? The components of food like carbohydrates, proteins, fat, minerals, vitamins are called nutrients. Second question इसमें से क्या बन रहा है? What is nutrition? Nutrition is the mode of intake of food by an organism and by the body is called nutrients. So second paragraph is that all living organisms require food. Plants can make their food themselves, but animals including human cannot. They get it from plants or animals that eat plants. Thus, humans and animals are directly or indirectly dependent on plants. So this 1.1 mode of nutrition in plants. So let's start this para. Plants are the only organism that can prepare food for themselves by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. The raw material are present in their surroundings. Second para is that the nutrients enable living organisms to build their bodies, to grow, to repair damaged parts of their bodies and provide the energy to carry out life processes. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic. Auto means self, trophos means nourishment, nutrients. Therefore, plants are also called trophies. Animals and most other organisms take in ready-made foods prepared by the plants. They are heterotrophics. Hetery means other. So, इस पैरे में हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या बन रहा है? Name various modes of nutrition. Name various modes of nutrition. So answer is autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Second is heterotrophic nutrition. Third is saprotrophic nutrition. And fourth is parasitic nutrition. अब हमारा इसमें ये भी क्वेश्चन बन रहा है, why the plants are called autotrophic? Why the plants are called autotrophics? Plants can produce their own food from simple substances. Therefore, plants are called autotrophics. So this para. Now we may ask where the food factories of plants are located. Whether food is made in all parts of a plant or only in certain plants. How do plants obtain the raw material from the surroundings? How do they transport them to the food factories of the plant? So 1.2 para is that photosynthesis, food making process in plants. Leaves are the food factories of plants. The synthesis of food in plants occur in leaves. Therefore, all the raw material must reach other. Water and minerals present In the water and minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. These pores are called by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. Water and minerals are transported to the leaves. Water and minerals are transported to the leaves by the vessels which run like pipes throughout the root, the stem, the branches, and the leaves. They form a continuous path or passage for the nutrients to reach the leaf. You will learn about transport of materials in plants in chapter 11. So इसमें से हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या बन रहा है? Question is that food making process in plants is called photosynthesis. In which part of the plant does photosynthesis occur? In which part of the plant does photosynthesis occur? In leaves. We also learned that in this param by the roots and transported to the leaves. Okay. So second question is that what are stomata? What are stomata? These are the tiny pores present. Look at this param. These are the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves is called stomata. अब हमने ये भी पैर पढ़ लिया. इस पैरे में से कौन सा क्वेश्चन आ रहा है? Why is the food making process in plants called photosynthesis? तो इसका क्या आंसर आएगा? The chlorophyll present in the leaves of the green plants help them to capture the solar energy. This energy is called to synthesis food from the carbon dioxide and water. Since the synthesis of food occurs due to sunlight, so it is known as photosynthesis. So this para, the leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps to leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight, and the energy is synthetic prepare food from carbon dioxide and water. Since the synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight, so it is called photosynthesis. जो हमने अभी क्वेश्चन पढ़ा था उसका क्या है? ये आंसर. So we find that chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water are necessary to carry out the process of photosynthesis. It is a unique process on the earth. The solar energy is captured by the leaves and stored in the plant in the form of food. Thus, sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. Can you imagine life on earth in the absence of photosynthesis? In the absence of photosynthesis, there would not be any food. The survival of almost all living organisms directly or indirectly depends upon the food made by the plants. Besides oxygen, which is essential for the survive of all living organisms produced during photosynthesis. In the absence of photosynthesis, life would be impossible on the earth. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll contains cells of leaf. In the presence of sunlight, use carbon dioxide and food to synthesize carbohydrates. This process is called represented as the equation. Like this, carbon dioxide plus water is called sunlight upon chlorophyll. Carbohydrate plus oxygen is called chlorophyll. Look at this. This is chlorophyll, and this is your cells, and this is stoma. Okay, we all know that this is leaf. We all know that this is stomata. So this is the picture. What is light energy? This rays is called light energy. This is carbon dioxide. Look that this. This is carbon dioxide and this is oxygen. Look this. Chlorophyll in leaf. Chlorophyll in leaf. Look that. Chlorophyll in leaf. And water and minerals in this. Water and minerals are present in this. Okay. This is the diagram showing by the photosynthesis. This. During the process, oxygen is released. This is during the process, oxygen is released. The carbohydrates anti-military get covered into starch. The presence of starch and leaves indicates the occurrence of photosynthesis. The starch is also called carbohydrates. We cannot read this activity. This is not a like mean. Another passage we are going to read on another video. If you like my video, please like and follow Harmla Coaching Center's Facebook and YouTube in Study Ka Patara. Bye.